OK, time to take a look at your weather forecast now, and Judith Ralston is with us. Good evening.
Good evening, nice
Hi.
to see you. Yeah, I'll crack on with the weather then. Yeah, there was some gorgeous snow for Shetland area. Wintry look to the weather up there, and there are a couple of warnings in force as we head through the run up to Christmas. Some yellow warnings in force, so keep an eye on the forecast through the weekend. The first one we have is a snow and ice warning over Shetland, valid until 10 o'clock tomorrow. A further snow and ice warning across northern Scotland and Grampian. That comes into force at 9, valid through until midday tomorrow, and that's because we have a band of heavy rain sweeping in across the country as it engages with the cold air, readily turning to snow at lower levels as well. A good few centimetres will fall across high ground too, so a rather wet night in prospect, but drier for the Northern Isles and colder here too. Temperature wise, it will be milder in the south with strong winds in coastal areas off the southwest. Now we have a heavy rain warning for western Scotland. That comes into force at midnight tonight, valid until quarter to midnight tomorrow night, because that heavy rain will keep driving into western Scotland as we head through tomorrow, and the snow will eventually turn to rain across northern Scotland. Shetland staying out of the rain until tomorrow evening, but there will be some dry conditions here, light winds as well. The heavy rain for Orkney and for Caithness in towards northeast Scotland too. The rain a wee bit lighter towards the east coast, but really a dull wet day. But look at those mild temperatures, 12 Celsius. Across the southwest, the rain does get a bit lighter for a time, but quite strong winds for coastal parts of the southwest. We still have that warning across western Scotland with that driving rain pushed in on those strong southwesterly winds, so difficult travel conditions as you can imagine. As we head through the latter part of the afternoon, the rain continues. Then as we head into the evening time, it does start to show signs of easing. Then our attention turns to wind. We have a high wind warning in force for northern Scotland from midday on Christmas Eve through to the early hours of Christmas Day. It will be a windy day on Christmas Eve with blustery showers pushing through as we head through the course of the day. It will be milder though. Then on Christmas Day itself, the winds start to ease down. We'll see some drier conditions at first before rain starts to move in with a wee bit of snow over the Central Highlands.
Well, it's all looking a bit wild, isn't it, Judith?
Oh, it's a bit of everything.
A bit of everything.
Oh, well, it's chocolate in a dram.
Thank you very much for that, but stay with me because we're ending the programme tonight, together tonight this evening, because for many people it is the last working day of the year. 3 whole sleeps until Santa comes. And here at BBC Pacific Key, we've been looking at ways to get ourselves into the festive spirit.
And luckily, we know just the man for the job.
Yes, here's a little gift from our weather presenter, Callum McCall. Yeah, that was Callum.
Oh,
I know, in the Park Bar in Glasgow. Is that where you're headed next?
Yes, after the 11 o'clock. Last orders.
Last orders. Well, thank you very much for joining us this evening. Have a lovely Christmas when it comes.
And
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas from the weather team too.